Manipuri oidera. Okay, Manipur day siya may aramega. Manipur day ra.
Manipur
day niya. Ming kagawin tang
I
hayan.
mean, Dipasni Okram.
Adugo may sige na human anatomy gi lab ni.
This is our tablet compression machine. Where we manufacture tablets.
Ako na narakan na sari ba ko hidak ko. Guli sing se kamay na semge, kray de semge habdo. Adu tamli ba mafam amu oide ba Rahman Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research High Institute se laaga pastur se tabjar ke manung da kari facility lai ge habdo. Mayam punna khangmina se si hidak sabagi oina angang sing da tambiba pharmacy gi oina B Pharm tambiba duga D Pharm tam mafam do oide ne do admission gi details su khoi video silo silak da haijarake ado campus tour se hawra se let's go. Lab की facility से कमाई तो गिरे यंग से मैंने उसी लाइसी ना pharmaceutical chemistry number 3 pharmaceutical analysis है वाले lab से देनी है मनुंग संगा lab से कमाई तो गया तो यंग मिनर से सर ने lab से की मतंग तो है भी नहीं sir will tell about this chemistry lab and what are being taught in this lab.
Actually, this is our chemistry lab. This is one of our chemistry lab. We have 4 chemistry labs, which including biochemistry, analysis, and then pharmaceutical chemistry. In chemistry lab, since it is a B Pharm and D Pharm courses, we teach our students how to manufacture drugs. Okay? How to check the purity of the drugs. Drugs means medicines. Medicines that are available in the market, we check the purity, whether those drugs are pure or not. We manufacture medicines. We manufacture various chemicals which are required to synthesize drugs. Okay, so these are few of the apparatus I am showing over here. These are few of the chemicals, and you can look over there. There are lots of apparatus over there from which we use to manufacture our students, and also we make our students industry ready, so that whenever they use our lab, they can be ready to go to an industry and work there. So we make our students like that.
Okay. Sir na ipi se sigi lab se na tau du se angang sing satra sing sida drug se kamai sagani haidi medicine hai tare ko market ta fangi medicine se kamai sagani aduga medicine sigi purity kayam sengi seng de habdo sida test tau kamai tau gani habdo satra sing ta pi hai bane ko aduga degi training tau re thor ko satra sing se industry ki damok te any mafam amda mana thabak tau damok te ready oina bagi damok te thado e hai bane thank you sir aduga mayam sigi ne human anatomy gi lab ni sonda lai se khoi mioi bagi saru polang hai tare ko mang lai se full human amagi saru polang ne skull lai re rib lai re aduga khoi khwang khoi khut sa mai am lai re da singa se lai na angang sing da tang na be da bok ta yam phajana thammi hai tare ko sida na to pu mai am su lai ri yeng mina se adu bo angang sing da tak khoi gi khoi special software mo sine ko isna khoi gi angang sing gi phomam lai ne ko moi se study to ni microscope mo se dom provide to ko yam me microscope su aduga somna kana la khong tam na module me am su lai ni ko khoi human anatomy gi bari lai na ba module me ama brain yauri heart yauri mid yauri ko even saru polang me yauri sida ko liver se yaure lungs ki matang da su ta e ko sana kan da duga human circulatory system ju magi module on lai da aduga nakong ni si na ko nakong ni and somna kan da su human nervous system lai da ko aduga respiratory system ne aduga protein digestion taw me matang da su kan padan tai hai tar ko smaina module su lai daga moi da su hai pe tak pi aduga amarom da software sin ne have da finance hai jab da sir na explain ta hola ge sir please explain me about this software.
Okay. Actually, in this lab, it is human anatomy, physiology, and pharmacology lab. We basically do practicals on software basis. We have XPharm software, and we have our login ID password if you log in here, and we will have our list of experiments which is included in B Pharm and D Pharm syllabus.
Okay.
Likewise here, if we go through the experiment number 1 like that, rotor experiment.
It's like virtual lab.
Yeah. The same thing when we do it practically
in real time.
The same experiment will come here.
Okay.
So the main motive behind doing in software basis is that we already have proven that one particular drug have this effect. So in order to minimize the cruelty upon animals,
Okay.
like CPCSCA, that committee for the purpose of ethical committee, they have made mandatory in bee farm that no animals can be used in laboratory unless
Okay.
it is M farm. So that is the main reason why we are using
Virtual lab.
virtual
Okay.
lab in bee farm.
Okay.
And
Okay. Let's run one of the experiment here.
okay, yeah.
ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯦꯔꯤꯃꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕ ꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯇꯥꯏꯝ ꯇꯧ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯇꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯆꯪꯉꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯔꯦꯕꯤꯠꯀꯨꯝꯕ
So we
ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ
will
ꯎꯆꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗ
start
ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯕꯀꯣ
rotarod experiment.
ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯑꯦꯅꯤꯃꯦꯜ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯨꯑꯦꯜꯇꯤ ꯃꯗ ꯏꯊꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯕꯤ ꯐꯥꯔꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯁꯣꯐꯋꯦꯌꯔꯗ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯦꯝ ꯐꯥꯔꯝ ꯌꯧ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯔꯦꯕꯤꯠꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯔꯦꯠꯀꯨꯝꯕꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯕꯇꯕꯨ ꯕꯤ ꯐꯥꯔꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯣꯐꯋꯦꯌꯔꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯐꯦꯛꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯤꯖꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯀꯩ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯀꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯨꯚꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯤꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯣꯐꯋꯦꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯦꯡꯍꯜꯂꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ. So let's start one of the experiment
Okay.
here.
So this experiment is called the rotarod experiment. So here we actually check the motor coordination of the animal, the mice. We used to place mice here. So
here.
let's say here.
So principle is
Okay. It's a principle. And let's start with the experiment. Okay. These are the instructions. And we'll be divided into two groups. Administer one group with a drug and the other group with a vehicle. And then click on the rotarod. This will be on the software base, but when we do in a practical, we will have to do it by ourselves.
okay. So
This actually is how it is done. Like we inject a drug in the peritoneal cavity, and we place it on the rod. This is a rotating drum, not drum actually. It's a rotating rod. That, yeah. And if the drug have effect, then the time of stay on the rod will be reduced compared with the animal, those who are treated with the drug and vehicle. The
Okay.
drug treated animal will have like less capacity to withstand in the rod,
Okay.
and the vehicle treated will have more capacity to withstand on the rod. So the time, the average time of the vehicle treated animal and the drug treated animal is recorded, and the average result which we find at the end shows whether our drug has a potent effect or not.
Okay.
Yeah.
ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯀꯥꯞꯄ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯤꯜꯂꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯏꯟꯖꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯏꯐꯦꯛꯇꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯦꯔꯤꯃꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯎꯍꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗꯀꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯑꯦ. ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ ꯁꯣ ꯃꯆ ꯁꯔ. ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁꯔꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯦꯗ ꯌꯦꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯦꯀꯣ. ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁꯔꯨꯝꯁꯦ ꯋꯦꯜ ꯏꯀ꯭ꯋꯤꯞ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯅꯤ. ꯁ꯭ꯃꯥꯔꯠ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯒ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯃꯥꯔꯠ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁꯀꯣ ꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯈꯨꯠꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ ꯋꯥꯏꯠ ꯕꯣꯔꯗꯀꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯃꯥꯔꯠ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ. ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯇꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯛꯇꯤቭ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯕ ꯑꯣꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯚꯤꯖꯨꯋꯦꯜ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯇꯥꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯅꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯊꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯃꯥꯔꯠ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁꯅꯤ. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯒꯤ ꯀꯟꯚꯦꯟꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯏꯠ ꯕꯣꯔꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯝꯃꯤꯀꯣ. ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯤꯌꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯀꯥ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯐꯝꯍꯜꯂꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯇꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯆꯪꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯁꯦꯝꯖꯕꯅꯤ. ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯁ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯈꯪꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ. Can you tell me about your experience here in this college? So is it nice or?
Is it very nice?
It's very nice. Okay. Thank you so much. Next, atopado mo 1,000 ko. Manipuri oidera. Okay, Manipur dai se mo yarame ka. Si pai biro aduga habi haidi nange experience kamai tawgida habi ne.
ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯝꯕꯗ
Hoi.
ꯑꯗꯨꯝ
ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯗꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯏ?
ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯣꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯕꯤ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ
ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁꯔꯨꯝꯒꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯕꯀꯤ ꯐꯦꯁꯤꯂꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯏ?
ꯐꯖꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯐꯪꯉꯦ ꯂꯦꯕꯀꯤ ꯐꯦꯁꯤꯂꯤꯇꯤꯁꯦ
ꯅꯣꯏ ꯍꯣꯁꯇꯦꯜꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯏ?
ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯌꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ
ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ.
ꯂꯥꯡꯗꯅ
ꯅꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯀꯌꯥꯃꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯎꯒꯦ?
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤ 7-9 ꯃꯨꯛ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦ.
9-4 ꯃꯨꯛꯇꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦ. ꯌꯥꯝꯃꯤꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ. Okay. So, thank you so much ko. Mingdi hangudre.
ꯅꯣꯡꯄꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕꯤ.
ꯅꯣꯡꯄꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕꯤ ꯀꯧꯋꯦꯕꯀꯣ. Okay. Sister ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ. ꯃꯥꯅ sister ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯩꯔꯣ? ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯩꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏ. ꯃꯤꯡ ꯀꯩ ꯀꯧꯒꯦ ꯑꯝꯇꯪ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯌꯨ.
ꯑꯩ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯁꯅꯤ ꯑꯣꯀ꯭ꯔꯝ.
ꯂꯩꯐꯝꯗꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤꯅꯣ?
ꯑꯩ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯣꯝꯗꯒꯤꯅꯤ.
ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯣꯝꯗꯒꯤꯅꯦꯕ. ꯁꯤ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯁꯦ ꯇꯝꯕꯁꯦ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ?
ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯌꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯒꯥꯏꯗ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯀꯣ.
Okay.
ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯪꯗꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯇꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯪꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯨ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯦ. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯍꯣꯁꯇꯦꯜ ꯂꯩꯕꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯁꯤꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯄꯤꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯌꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ
ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯤꯅ ꯁꯤꯅꯔꯤꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯤꯅ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ
ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯒꯨꯋꯥꯍꯥꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯦꯗꯔꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯁꯥꯏꯀꯣ
Predictable
ꯑꯗꯣ
ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯅ
ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯗꯤꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯋꯦꯗꯔꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ
ꯍꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯁꯥꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯏꯪꯗꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ ꯁꯣ ꯃꯆ ꯀꯣ ꯁꯣ ꯍꯥꯎ ꯏꯁ ꯌꯣꯔ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯁ ꯍꯤꯌꯔ ꯏꯟ ꯗꯤꯁ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖ
It's quite amazing because when we get to learn in this type of technology along with our knowledge, it's quite grateful and it's quite amazing for the institution as well.
Are you staying in hostel?
Yeah, I'm staying home.
So how is your hostel life?
Hostel life is quite amazing, a lot of fun, a lot of memories, and when we pass out, then a lot of nostalgia as well.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Nice to
very
meet
much.
ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯣ
Yeah, Manipur. Manipur day ole. Habira Manipur.
ꯑꯩ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯐꯨꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯩꯃꯌꯨꯝ ꯑꯐ꯭ꯔꯤꯟ ꯕꯦꯂꯥ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯪꯒꯥꯏ ꯃꯐꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯝꯃꯤꯁꯦ 2 years ꯁꯨꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯌꯦ ꯐꯦꯁꯤꯂꯤꯇꯤꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯄꯤꯕꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯕꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣ ꯑꯣꯏ
Right. Hostel day leibda nungaibra kamai tawge?
ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ
Nungaiba.
ꯍꯣꯏ
Imanabi gaydi kamai tawge?
ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯏꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕꯤꯈꯩꯁꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯕꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯏꯆꯤꯟ ꯏꯅꯥꯎꯗꯧꯅ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯀꯩꯗꯩ
Mafamdai
ꯃꯐꯝꯗꯩ
laka.
ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯕꯗꯣ
Hoi. Ado khwai hangningba je hostel gi chanabase food je se kamai tawge ba?
ꯆꯥꯅꯕꯗꯤ
Sa injang je
ꯐꯖꯅ
haitare seng haitare. Hainaba hainadaba yam tawidna koi gi kai tawge?
ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯍꯣꯁꯇꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯐꯨꯗ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯄꯤꯌꯦ
Hoi. Okay, thank you so much ka. Yam se kai na habire. Sister su Manipur dai oidira. Okay. Sister su Manipur dai oire Manipur gi mi yam yaw haitare ko. Ada petang habiyo college sida laiba experience aduga nang hostel la laiba. Everything nangi hosi mukta makko tamda thengna ko experience haitare ko. Si kamai kamai taw habiyo ne.
ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯁꯤ ꯇꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯂꯥꯁ ꯌꯔꯅꯦ 8 ꯁꯦꯝ ꯀꯥꯏꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯪꯉꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯛꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛ ꯃꯇꯥꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨꯀꯣ ꯔꯤꯁꯔꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯗꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯇꯤꯆꯔꯁꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯒꯥꯏꯗ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯣꯁꯇꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯗꯤꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯏꯟꯖꯥꯡꯒꯤꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨꯀꯣ ꯗꯤꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯁꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯁꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯏꯟꯖꯥꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯎꯅ ꯄꯤꯖꯩ
How busy ba?
ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯃꯩꯁꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ everything ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ
Weather sister am panbi ba
ꯍꯣꯏ
weather.
ꯋꯦꯗꯔꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯤꯜꯁ ꯆꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯦꯟ ꯒꯨꯋꯥꯍꯥꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯆꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯋꯦꯗꯔꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯏꯪꯉꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕ
Aduga siksu si like pa mutun
ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ
Okay. Thank you so much ko. Yam ngai jare. Asomda mung lakse ne. Manipur dai satra amsu yaram ko sona kanda ming amtang haibiyo ne.
ꯃꯤꯡ ꯑꯊꯣꯏꯕꯤ ꯀꯧꯋꯦ
Athoi bi ko yum dikai digi hoidena.
ꯌꯨꯝꯁꯦ ꯊꯧꯕꯥꯜ ꯑꯊꯣꯛꯄꯝꯗꯒꯤꯅꯦ
Bala thokpam dai ne ba. Okay. Se tam badi kam koi digi.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯂꯥꯁ ꯁꯦꯃꯤꯁꯇꯔ
Last semester ne ba. Sahi mari lai ko sida kai kai experience sing na ke da tum tang haibiyo ne.
ꯆꯍꯤ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ
Nungai ya.
ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯈꯩꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯑꯗꯨം ꯐꯖꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤ ꯇꯝꯕꯤꯔ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯕ
Hoi. Ado hajen abde te ozana mark piro internal mark piro ga hai lai gi.
ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ
Natte ba. Hostel de kamai tawge.
ꯍꯣꯁꯇꯦꯜꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯌꯦ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯩꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯥꯡ ꯅꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯤꯌꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯀꯩꯀꯥꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯊꯛꯄꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯆꯤꯟꯖꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯞꯇ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ
Hoi.
ꯐꯪꯉꯤ
Okay, thank you so much. Nungai. Pharmacy college amda machine room ai se kai no ha ma ngani ko. Ado pharmacy tam basi naw sing budi khang ngani machine room sida kai kai lai gi machine lai gi ha da yeng min si ida ama saba matam da sang ba khoi machine sing sida lai lai gi ne ko. Ada sai ko na explain to bigi ba sa da su dum yawi sida han ba machine jam tang yeng min se ko si machine se. Sir. ये मशीन के बारे में आप जरा सी बताइए.
This is our tablet compression machine. इसमें where we manufacture tablets. ठीक है.
जैसे कि जो हम खाते हैं.
हाँ जी हाँ. For the medicines that we use. Okay. So here is a tray. We actually mix our powder. It is already in a powder form. So we mix it completely and then we put our powder over here and then in this process the machine will one tablet will be there. For this pinch you can see over here. Here is a capsule. Here is a tablet. So various shapes are there. There is a tablet. This is a ground tablet. This is a long capsule. This is again a tablet. So whatever shape we want, we can put our powder over here. Automatically it will be put and the powder will come over here.
Okay.
And we can collect the tablets.
And that capsule will come on from this side?
Yes, from this side it will come and we can collect it and it is ready for
Okay. So guli sana amne ko guli sawagi mai chemical me powder me amna hapsalani the capsule shape se khalla mathunda round oigera aigi akhoi si capsule si shape se oigera apamba khalla mathunda thadarak toine ko ado capsule se ready oise tarak toine adaga mayamda akhoi guli hani se simai tar same ko.
This is our tray dryer. What happens in here? Medicines are sometimes we take it from the plants, right? So we direct cannot take the plant. So we will have to, what we will do, we will have to crush the plant and they have to dry it. So this is a tray dryer where we dry our plants. What we do, here are hundreds of trays are there. Okay. So we put our plant samples over here. See. Okay. And then we put our sample, we will close it. Okay. We can adjust the temperature at which we want to give it 50-60 centigrade and then we can put it for hours. Okay. And that wet sample will get dry.
Okay. Haide khoi hidak se pambi de gi sa ba yam yawina pambi sing se dum heglak pong dum sot panina adogi do hapsal la batun da kanghan bagi machine amne bisina tray dryer hai je tray mayam se yawre se da temperature set taw yai adoga phajana kanga thola kar hidak se am yana bai damukta sigma machine je bisina ko. Thank you.
This is our BOD incubator. This is used for microorganisms, bacteria and viruses. Okay? So if we want to grow our bacteria, sometimes we cannot just make a bacteria that we will get all infected, right? So what we have to do, a simple strain we take and we put it inside here. See, this is our BOD incubator. In the glass, we put our bacteria here to grow. So once the bacteria is grown, then we will take it to the biochemistry lab and then microbiology lab, and then we will do further study, antibacterial studies and all that. Okay.
Adoga kari gumba khoi bacteria gumba khoi strain am law kana sida grow taw hana bai dam ka thamba bio khoi gi sigi BOD incubator hai sida thamba ga ne bacteria sing grow taw halani duga biochemistry lab tong khata na process tha gani ha bane ko si se am kana machine mo idene next tong chat se.
This is muffle furnace is used. See, what happens, sometimes we need the burnt sample. Okay. So what? Ash. So this is the place. It raises to temperature from 900 to 2000 degrees centigrade.
Wow.
Okay. So this at this temperature, any plant sample or any chemical that will be burned to ash, and then we can use those ash to make our medicine. Okay. So this is used for that purpose.
Okay. Haide khoi gi sig sinam kamai tab ge da khoi pambi gi sem baje hidak si sem baje khoi pambi gi mai thado matung mai ut gi sem yawe ko ado sigi machine si sinai hai bene 900 dai na 2000 degree celsius bo sahan mangam me hai si na ado ut se ola kana ado ut tu da gi mu hidak sem doi ne bo hidak ado na sigi machine sem ju kana ne khal le ka hidak sem ba gi next machine dam set ke let's move on to the next machine. ये भी ये जो पिल बनाने वाला
हाँ ये टेबलेट ही है, but this is manual. That is automatic. हाँ manual. So only one tablet at a time. See.
Okay.
Only one tablet will make, and then we'll have to put it out. So this is manual and it will come out.
Okay. I think kuno in tao wagi ni sinamo guli sem tao kuno nga sagi namo automatic way na sinamo kuno in tao tene ba. Next one.
Next one. This is a double clone blender. What happens is that after making the tablet, sometimes what happens, the tablet taste is not good. So what we'll do, we blend them. We put some sweetening agents so there will be color on there. So tablets is white, so there will be colorful. So this is what we done over here.
Okay.
Once we open it, we can put the tablets over here and it will keep on blending. Okay, automatically it will blend and the
angang sing da koi hidak pizza matam da khaw ko padum yawi dana ada athum bagumba coating to hon base si si da blend to halaga to be ne ba makal ne lai se and a top khalang lake. This is the bottle washing machine.
This is bottle washing machine. What happens is that the bottles like syrups and cough syrups we are having here. So we have to wash it, then we can put our medicines over there. Now if we wash it with hand, sometimes we have to use brush and all that. So we can do that. We can simply put it over here, it will wash it and it will come down.
Okay.
This is automatic. Okay. Ampoule filling and sealing machine. What happens is that we see injections, vials, for example TT injections are there. Okay. The injection liquid is inside a glass vial, glass ampoule.
Then we have to break it.
We have to break it. Okay. So this is where we have done. Okay. The ampoule is filled over there, that is called an ampoule. Ampoule is filling and then it is sealed in this machine and we can use it as a drug.
ओके टीटीगुम्बगी हिदा कापगे कोई टिटनस की कापगी लेबिदो अदे मोय ग्लासी जारम द कनोम दे बिक्रम द हापैने अदु थुदे कान द तवुदो अदु सिदा फिल तव हेबने का सिम लाइने
tablet disintegration apparatus. Okay, now what happens when we manufacture a tablet, okay, after that whether the tablet is strong enough or not, if it falls from the head it may break. Now this is only powder, okay, so this is where we check whether the tablet is strong or not, whether the binding is done or not. This is the disintegration. It will shake over here and we will check the tablet is stable or not. मतलब हाथ से गिरने से नहीं टूटेगा ना.
हाइदि टेबलेट सेम लोर कांदा काइगन बखुन तवुदो अदो काइगदा खोकदा दो सिदा लो चेक तौनी बा हाइदि मखादा तागिबो खोकिबदा काइबा ट्रांसपोर्टेशन तवो तमदा काइबा खोकदा दो हाइदि पाउडर थोवा काइगदी मु गुली इन चाबे हाइदि अदुगी फंक्शन दो लेय रोइदना अदना गुली से काम कन्ना लेगे हाइबदा अदु चेक तौनो बेदो मक्ता सिगी टेबलेट दिsintegration apparatus सिने हाइबने बा इक्विपमेंट लोय सुरे मथंगी ओदों लाके let's move on to the next one.
See again, this is tablet coating pen.
जैसे कि वहाँ ब्लेंडर में होता है
हाँ ब्लेंडर में होता है इसमें होता है क्या ब्लेंडर में वी गो फॉर टेस्ट हियर वी गो फॉर कलर चेंज सपोज वी हैव टू सेम टाइप ऑफ टैबलेट्स आर देयर वी हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई देम सो वेरियस कलर्स वी गिव suppose yellow color, titanium color, various colors. So here just we put the tablet here, the spray will come over here and then it will keep on rotating like this and color will be done.
जैसे कि जो लिप 50 वाला वो टैबलेट में ऊपर वो
कलरिंग वाला रहता है हाँ ये इसी में होता है इसमें होता है
सिगी सिना मो गुली से कलर संगबगी ओइदेबो कलर टेसल ला कोसल मा सुफजन बगी हेतारे को सिन टैबलेट कोटिंग पेन है सोने को समाना ब्लेंडर के गुली ब्लेंडर में मिक्स तो होम वे वानी सिने टैबलेट से कोई कलर गुम को तो वे वाने को थैंक यू सर so सिगी सिने इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन नेम this is instrumentation name
yeah
so
this
what
is
are
the,
being taught here
yeah this is central instrument room where the project work done all the facilities we have central instrument room like we have a biochemical analyzer where the student are exposed to analyze the biochemistry and then we have a UV visible spectrometer. You can see the student here they are doing the practical on the project. So all the research like once the drug is developed, all the biochemical analyzed, they will test it here. So
this is a testing room
this is the testing room. Basically, the project they are developing some like crude drugs. So in that crude drug, what are the chemical is there? So these are the lab where they will test the chemical and they will identify the drug. What are the most suitable drugs? So like this, we have a computer like UV visible spectrum. Here they will analyze the data. Again, we have some digital meter, so that micro amount of drugs they can analyze here, they can write here. And again, we have the advanced microscope. You can
so
see
this
this
is the advanced microscope
yeah, this is the advanced microscope where they can put the hair and it will be visible in the computer. So it is camera fitted microscope, so my small amount of significance they can check it. You can also ask the student about their experience.
Testing room se so na koi B Pharm last year se project le ba project se akoina apamba topics lauraga project taweba adugi project taw matung da akoina sigi kano sida weight on ba adugi UV length wave length ke check taw ba sida em taw
like same like kan sida test taw bane check taw bane
test lang taw
so na kan microscope ka lai no microscope sida ha pa ga yeng dine camera fit taw ba microscope oi teba no ai ba ko ite si
anoi
thank you so much.
Yeah, we are working on the inspection period about the project where we use to identify the tribinocular microscope for the various identification for the specimens and lot of internal even about it is about the drug for the bioavailability etc. So it's quite amazing to witness all of these things along with the institution.
Hello ma'am, sikisna library and reading room ne ko sanga ga yeng se kai kai facility lai ge habs Pasangmas.
Si an bai se. Hoi. Sina akhoi drug anova lakpa singse sida akhoi na hidak anova hojik lakpa singdi sida akhoi yenga khangdune. Sina an sa da like singse around 2000 ki mathak hena lai se.
Like 2000 mathak hena lai ba sa. Abam se dum lai reading room se dum lai da. Aduga library se koi computer ki facility se dum lai ba. Sir sing matang nam da have you na computer sida kai happy no holina.
Library ki computer se lai singse ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯁ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ
ꯖꯔꯅꯦꯜꯒꯨꯝꯕ
ꯖꯔꯅꯦꯜꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯟꯂꯥꯏꯟꯗ ꯌꯦꯡꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯣꯐꯂꯥꯏꯟꯁꯨ ꯑꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯂꯩ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯣꯟꯂꯥꯏꯟꯗ ꯌꯦꯡꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯣꯟꯂꯥꯏꯟꯗ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯅꯉꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯅꯉꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯔ ꯑꯃꯃꯝ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯔꯒ
ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯁꯣꯝꯒꯤꯁꯤ ꯖꯔꯅꯦꯜꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ
ꯖꯔꯅꯦꯜ ꯌꯦꯡꯗꯣꯏꯕ
ꯐꯥꯔꯃꯥ ꯏꯅꯣꯕꯦꯁꯟꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯦꯡꯍꯟꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯥꯒꯦ ꯈꯣꯠꯀꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ
ꯌꯥꯏ
ꯍꯣꯏ
ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯄꯦꯄꯔꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯥꯅꯉꯥꯏ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ
ꯍꯣꯏ
ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯖꯔꯅꯦꯜ ꯁꯦꯛꯁꯟꯅꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯣꯐꯂꯥꯏꯟ
ꯑꯣꯐꯂꯥꯏꯟ ꯖꯔꯅꯦꯜ ꯁꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯆꯪꯉꯒ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯣꯐꯂꯥꯏꯟ ꯖꯔꯅꯦꯜ ꯁꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯟꯂꯥꯏꯟꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯣꯐꯂꯥꯏꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯕ ꯀꯩꯀꯩ ꯖꯔꯅꯦꯜꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯟ ꯖꯔꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯐꯥꯔꯃꯥꯁꯤutical एजुकेशन एंड रिसर्च ꯄꯥꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯖꯔꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯅꯀꯣ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯀꯌꯥꯅꯣ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯦ
ꯄꯨꯔꯒ ꯍꯣꯁꯇꯦꯜꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ
ꯍꯣꯁꯇꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨ
ꯀꯩꯒꯦꯔꯥ
ꯄꯥꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ
ꯄꯨꯔꯒ
ꯌꯥꯏꯑꯕ
ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯔꯁꯨ
ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯋꯥꯏꯕꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯕꯀꯣ
ꯋꯥꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ
ꯑꯣꯀꯦ
ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕꯅ ꯗꯤ ꯐꯥꯔꯝꯒ ꯕꯤ ꯐꯥꯔꯝꯒꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯁꯦꯛꯁꯟꯅꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯗꯤ ꯐꯥꯔꯝꯒꯤꯅꯤ ꯁꯤ
ꯁꯤꯅ ꯗꯤ ꯐꯥꯔꯝꯒꯤ
ꯗꯤ
ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛꯁꯤꯡ
ꯐꯥꯔꯝꯒꯤ
ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯕ ꯁꯣꯟꯁꯤꯅ
ꯁꯕꯖꯦꯛ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯒꯤꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯗꯤ ꯐꯥꯔꯝꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯀꯜꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟ
ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯔ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯀꯣ
ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯔ
ꯁꯣꯝ ꯅꯥꯀꯟꯗꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯀꯣ
ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯐꯥꯔꯃꯥꯁꯤ
ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯐꯥꯔꯃꯥꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ
ꯁꯕꯖꯦꯛ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ
ꯁꯕꯖꯦꯛ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯁꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ 2,000ꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯁ
ꯂꯩꯔꯦ
ꯑꯣꯟꯂꯥꯏꯟꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤ ꯖꯔꯅꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯐꯂꯥꯏꯟ ꯖꯔꯅꯦꯜꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯣꯝꯒꯤꯁꯤꯅ
ꯁꯣꯝꯅ ꯕꯤ ꯐꯥꯔꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯕ
ꯕꯤ ꯐꯥꯔꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯥꯅꯤꯛ ꯀꯦꯃꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯤꯅꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯐꯥꯔꯃꯥꯁꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯛꯇꯤꯁ ꯀꯥꯏꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯣꯝ
ꯃꯌꯥꯝ
ꯅꯥꯀꯟꯗ
ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯃꯈꯜ
ꯄꯥꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯄꯥꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯐꯪꯒꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯚꯥꯏꯠ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯖꯩ ꯀꯥꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯖꯤꯌꯝꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯗꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯍꯩꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯁꯔꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯔꯕꯦꯔꯤꯌꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯤ ꯔꯤꯁꯔꯁꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯍꯔꯕꯦꯔꯤꯌꯝꯅꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯤꯃꯦꯟ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯊꯥꯔꯦ ꯍꯤꯗꯥꯛꯁꯦ ꯀꯩ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯄꯔꯥꯖꯤꯇꯥꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯕꯗꯨꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯤꯃꯦꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯣꯝꯗꯅ ꯏꯟꯖꯦꯛꯁꯟꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯣ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯁꯦꯝꯈꯤꯕ ꯍꯤꯗꯥꯛꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯀꯩ ꯐꯣꯝꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯅꯣ ꯈꯣꯠꯄꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯏꯟꯖꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯦꯀꯦꯖ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯈꯣꯠꯂꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯦ ꯁꯣꯝ ꯅꯥꯀꯟꯗꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯍꯤꯁꯇꯣꯔꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯁꯣꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯐꯣꯇꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯂꯥꯏꯠ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯀꯣ ꯁꯣꯝ ꯅꯥꯀꯟ ꯁꯥꯏꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯔꯕꯦꯔꯤꯌꯝꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯍꯤꯗꯥꯛꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯏꯍꯥꯟ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯈꯤꯒꯦ ꯐꯣꯇꯣꯗ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤ ꯕꯤꯛꯁꯀꯤ ꯊꯥꯏꯅꯒꯤꯀꯣ ꯃꯀꯨꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅꯒ ꯇꯧꯏꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯤꯗꯥꯛ ꯌꯣꯜꯂꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯣꯜꯂꯝꯒꯦꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯎꯍꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯣꯄꯤꯌꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯄꯤꯌꯝ ꯇꯤꯟꯆꯔ USP ꯒꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯐꯧꯗ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯣꯜꯂꯝꯃꯤꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯤꯗꯥꯛ ꯃꯄꯨꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯤꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯈꯪꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯎꯍꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯁꯦꯝꯖꯕ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯖꯤꯌꯝꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯩ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯩꯅ ꯊꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯤꯗꯥꯛ ꯊꯧꯑꯣꯡꯕꯒꯤꯒ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯂꯔꯅꯤꯡ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯊꯝꯕ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯖꯤꯌꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯀꯥꯅꯤ ꯍꯔꯕꯦꯔꯤꯌꯝꯗꯩ ꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯖꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯣ ꯃꯈꯨꯝꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯤ ꯈꯣꯠꯂꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯦꯕ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯡ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ
ꯁꯣꯂꯤꯠ ꯗꯣꯁꯦꯁ ꯐꯣꯝꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯁ ꯑꯥꯎꯠ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ
ꯍꯣꯏ
ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯔꯣꯌꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯔꯦꯀꯣꯔꯠ ꯂꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯅꯦꯕ
ꯑꯣꯀꯦ
ꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯀꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯁꯔꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯑꯃꯃꯝꯒꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟ ꯑꯃꯃꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ
ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯍꯤꯗꯥꯛ ꯀꯩꯀꯩ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕ ꯒꯨꯂꯤ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯎꯍꯜꯂꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯣꯝ ꯅꯥꯀꯟꯗꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯚꯤꯇꯥꯃꯤꯟ ꯀꯩꯀꯩ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯀꯣ ꯑꯗ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯁ ꯑꯥꯎꯠ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯍꯔꯕꯦꯔꯤꯌꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯁꯤꯅꯦꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟꯗꯤ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯒꯗꯧ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯩꯁꯨ ꯈꯟꯕꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯔꯤꯁꯔꯁ ꯇꯧꯍꯜꯂ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯝꯃꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ
ꯔꯤꯁꯔꯁꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯟꯂꯥꯏꯟꯗ ꯄꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯁ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ
ꯄꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯁꯁꯨ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯥꯔꯃꯥꯁꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯔ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯔ ꯂꯦബ്ꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯚꯥꯏꯠ ꯇꯧꯖꯩ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨꯀꯣ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯔ ꯋꯦꯜ ꯏꯀ꯭ꯋꯤꯞ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯔꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯞ ꯇꯨ ꯗꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯔ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯇꯝꯕꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯅꯕ ꯊꯝꯖꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯔ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯔ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯂꯩꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯆꯪꯉꯨ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯏꯚꯟ ꯐꯥꯔꯃꯥꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯄꯔꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯔꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯎꯗ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖꯁꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯚꯥꯏꯠ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯑꯃꯃꯝꯒꯤ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯔ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯚꯥꯏꯠ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯀꯤ ꯐꯪꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ 800 ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯑꯦꯀꯣꯃꯣꯗꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯑꯣꯗꯤꯇꯣꯔꯤꯌꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯩ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯋꯤꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯗꯤꯇꯣꯔꯤꯌꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯔꯕꯦꯜ ꯒꯥꯔꯗꯦꯟꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯕꯅꯦꯀꯣ ꯍꯔꯕꯦꯜ ꯒꯥꯔꯗꯦꯟꯁꯦ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯩ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯆꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯁꯤꯅꯦꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯐꯪꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯁꯣꯝ ꯅꯥꯀꯟꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯡ ꯃꯇꯣꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯐꯥꯎꯅꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯊꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯁꯤꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯁꯤꯅꯦꯜ ꯍꯔꯕꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯔꯞꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯐꯪꯒꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯦꯟꯇꯤꯐꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯒꯦ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯇ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯇꯝꯕꯤꯕꯩꯗꯃꯛꯇꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯤꯅ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯒꯗꯕ ꯍꯔꯕꯦꯜ ꯒꯥꯔꯗꯦꯟ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯂꯩꯐꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤꯀꯣ ꯒꯔꯜꯁ ꯍꯣꯁꯇꯦꯜꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯒꯅꯤ ꯕꯣꯏꯁ ꯍꯣꯁꯇꯦꯜꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯒꯅꯤ ꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯣꯏꯁ ꯍꯣꯁꯇꯦꯜꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯌꯥꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯣꯝ ꯅꯥꯀꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯒꯔꯜꯁ ꯍꯣꯁꯇꯦꯜꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯅꯤ ꯑꯦꯗꯃꯤꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯝꯇꯪ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯦꯗꯃꯤꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯀꯃꯟ ꯑꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯃꯤꯅꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯥꯕ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯔꯦꯖꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯣꯛꯍꯟꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯦꯕꯁꯥꯏꯠꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯪꯉꯒ ꯔꯦꯖꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯠꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯍꯃꯟ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯕꯨꯀꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯕꯨꯀꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯃꯦꯜ ꯐꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯕꯨꯀꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁ ꯊꯥꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯁꯦ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯕꯨꯀꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯈꯜꯂꯛꯇ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯔꯤꯐꯟ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯁꯤꯂꯤꯇꯤꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯖꯩ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯗꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯄꯤꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯝꯕꯔꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯟꯇꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯈꯪꯕꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯒꯅꯤ
Myself, Dr. Rahman. I am here the principal in charge of Rahman Institute of Pharmaceutical Science. यहाँ पे जो एडमिशन होता है एक्चुअली हमारा जो एडमिशन होता है अभी जून जुलाई में स्टार्ट होगा अभी शंकरदेव का सीई होता है जैसे हमारा कॉलेज शंकरदेव यूनिवर्सिटी एफिलेटेड है जो आसाम का गवर्नमेंट मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी है तो जो भी स्टूडेंट जैसे मणिपुर हो अरुणाचल हो तो उनको कॉमन एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम एक होता है वो एग्ज़ाम में इनरोल करना पड़ता है जिसका फॉर्म अभी निकालना है तो वो अप्रैल तक रहेगा तो जो स्टूडेंट है उनको कॉमन एंट्रेंस देने के बाद अगर वो क्वालिफाई होता है साइंस स्ट्रीम का होता है तो हम लोग को यहाँ पे एडमिशन के लिए कनेक्ट करने से हो जाएगा एडमिशन तो और हमारा यहाँ पे एक एडवांस बुकिंग सिस्टम भी चल रहा है जो भी अभी इंटरेस्ट है जैसे वो लोग ले सकते हैं तो एडवांस बुकिंग भी कर सकते हैं एक मिनिमम अमाउंट जो है वो रिफंडेबल होगा अगर क्वालिफाई नहीं होगा तो वो अमाउंट देके भी एडवांस बुक कर सकते हैं
ओके थैंक यू